Okay, we're at video 41. Let's check out where we're at here. I think we left off where he's just puking out some turds, no real interaction. Let's nuke him. And there he is. Let's get the mouse out of the way. Okay, come on, puke. Puke for me. Well, that wasn't good. There he goes. Okay, so he's puking out the stuff. Okay, so now we have to have interaction with that boss bullet. So let's open up boss bullet. Add event, create. Add our code. I think I'm gonna have the bullets a little bigger. Image X scale. I'll do it by 3 equals 3. Image Y scale equals 3. Image speed equals 0 at this point when it starts out. We'll have it rotate. Yeah, we're gonna have them rotate too. Rotation equals I integer random range 0 0 1, meaning it's going to be either left or right. Rotations, let's add a speed to it, equals random range 1 to 10 on its speed and how it's going to fly across the screen. R&D random equals I random 6, and I believe, okay, we want to use 6 because it's going to disperse in 6 degrees, six directions. So we'll say image index, when it's created, it'll be 1 of 6, or actually 7 if you think about it now. Maybe I might want to change that, but equals R&D. Oh, maybe not. I think I have it in this. I can do it in this in the game engine itself. Okay, alarm 0 equals random range 500 to 1000. Okay, so let's add the alarm 0, add our code, and basically after, that's how long it's going to be alive. Between 500 and 1000. So instance destroy, and it will cease to exist at that point. Okay, so we want them to, I'm going to have them stay on the stage just like everything else. So I'll add the step, add the code, check stay on stage, and we got our script that we wrote. Script, is that what we called it? Stay on screen. Okay. And we'll say self. Okay, that's good. You know, I think I'm going to make them kind of glow a little bit too. Not really glow, but get darker and brighter. So let's add a local variable called glow on, and we'll say false. Okay, that'll be cool. And in the step, let's add if rotation equals 0. Oh, that's the 0 and 1 thing that I showed you. Image angle plus equals rotation speed. And I'm pretty sure you can figure out the else here. Else it'll rotate the other way. Okay, now with that glow aspect of it, if glow on is false, then if image alpha is larger than 0.5, image alpha minus equals 0.05. And once again, you can use your own numbers for this if you want to do it at all. Else, where are we at here? Image alpha equals 0.5. So we never go to 1. And then we'll change the glow on equals true. Okay, now here we're going to do the same thing. We could probably even copy this whole thing here. Else if image alpha is smaller, does that make sense? Image alpha equals 0.5. We should make it go to 1. I'm not sure why I went to point. That doesn't make any sense, does it? Why wouldn't I do 1? Let's do 1. Let's go 1 up here. Just oh, it's going only to that point. That's right. Okay. Now here we'll say if image alpha is smaller than 1, it only goes to half its alpha. So we'll go plus equals 0.05 and image alpha equals 1. And then we'll make it false. So it only goes to 0.5 of its alpha. And then zooms back up to its full alpha. Okay. I want to do something also. When it's destroyed, I want to make more of these bullets. I know it's a little weird. So I'm going to add an event, destroy. Not sure if we can test it at this point, but so when a bullet, the boss bullet is destroyed, we're going to create another object, which we haven't created yet. But okay, in here we're going to put our variable here, very local, dir equals 0. Instance create x, y object. We're going to have an explosion. Explode. So we'll have it explode, and then this is kind of fun. We're going to add a bunch of other ones. For this is a for loop. I equals 1. I is smaller than 8. I plus plus. Okay, we'll call this. We're going to put this one in an array too. Boss bullet mini equals instance create XY object. Yeah, so we don't have it yet. Object bullet, we'll call it mini. With object. Wait, get the rest of it. Boss bullet mini direction equals dir. And then we're going to say dir equals plus equals 45. So it's going to be in a 45-degree angle on each one that's created because we're in the for loop. So it's going to create, first bullet's going to be at 0, second 45 degrees, and so on and so on and so on. So it's not too hard to figure out right there. Why do I have an error though? With. Oh, duh. Okay. Plus equals 45. Basically, it's just going to come out 45-degree angles. Hopefully, if it's working right. And I think all you have to do is duplicate the boss bullet, call it object boss bullet mini. It'll have different variables here, so I can have this stuff. Let's see, we'll probably need those. In the create, we'll just say image speed equals 1. Speed of the bullet equals 10. Okay, we're gonna need some destroy stuff. Oh, I think all we're gonna do here, all it's gonna do is explode. It's kind of just for looks, which it does look kind of cool. Okay, so there's our boss bullet mini. And we also need interaction with that, but let's test it first. See what's up. Actually, I probably need the interaction at this point, now that I think about it. Let's give ourselves a shield. Okay, there they are. They're a little bigger now, but we don't have any interaction with it, so they're just going to float around. Oh, actually it did happen. Oh yeah, because we have that timer. So after a while, it will blow itself up, just like the shield ball, and shoot out mini balls, mini bullets. Okay, so that's cool, but we also want to have interaction. We want to be able to shoot the bullets down. Boss bullets. Okay. So we want an interaction with the bullet. We also want one with the extra bullets. Which, like I said, there's probably an easier way to do that. Didn't have to make the extra bullets, but That's how I did it, so screw it. Okay, so in the object bullet collision, we're going to say with other instance create. Of course, we got to have our explosion. Oops. Gotta have your explosions with stuff. Very important. Instance destroy. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and add that speed thing too. Speed equals 0. And we want to destroy our bullet, so speed. Actually, we can just grab it all and delete the one thing. Speed equals 0. Instance destroy. And then we got to give ourselves some points. Global.score plus equals, I'm going to go with 150. I think that'll work. And I believe we can do the same thing. Copy. And just go ahead and put it in there. Let's give that a try. Oh, what happened there? Oh, I must have shot it too fast. See how it's, when you shoot them, they spray. Actually, it seems like it's not working right though. It seems like it's only shooting one at a time. So I think my mini bullets aren't working right. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, we didn't make the array. They're all the same variable. That's not good. Okay, let's give that a try. It should be cooler now. Okay, come on, burp, burp, burp. Give ourselves a shield, protect ourselves a little bit. Come on, burp. Nice. There he goes. Okay. That one didn't seem to work either. Yeah, it's still shooting one at a time. Why is that? Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to figure this out and do it on the next one, because there should be 8 of them flying out in different directions, which is kind of cool looking. Alright, so subscribe if you want to, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.